Tashidelic Dragon Signs. Let's check your next 7 days energy. King of Pentacles, my god, you're being in a very beautiful place, I think, or you have achieved something very big. Okay, so this is your current energy, and the upcoming energy, Judgment. Okay, you're also stepping into your higher self. Okay, and what else? So you have lots of different ideas, and you are going to work on that. And what else? The Temperance. You are bringing the balance in your life, in your relationship, in your career, in your health. You are bringing the balance, perfect balance in every aspect of your life. And Page of Wands. Now you're working on your passion very passionately. I think you're going to find your passion very soon, and you're improving your skill, and from that skill you are making lots of happy money. Okay, you're improving your skill, you're showing off your skill, working very hard. The Sun card, wow, my god, you're going to be very happy. You're feeling very satisfied, happy. Your inner child is healing and becoming very happy person. And the Moon. Okay, if there was some confusion or fear inside you, now you're going to fight with that, and you are going to deal with that fear, and you are going to win from that fear or that doubt, self-doubt, or that can be sadness, betrayal, anything. Okay, you're going to win in that situation, and you're going to get lots of healing. Okay, lots and lots of healing, like you're healing your past traumas, childhood traumas, or this can be betrayal, breakup, this can be anything. You're going to heal very soon. Okay, Knight of Swords. Okay, so you're running after something. Okay, this can be a person, this can be a job, career path, some opportunity, this can be anything. You're running behind that very passionately. Okay, and about your relationship, so let's see some guidance or some blessings. Relax, find joy in the simple pleasure of just being together. Okay, if you are with someone, then relax and be with that your loved ones. Okay, this can be about your parents, this can be with your loved one, means this can be anyone. Okay, so you have to be relaxed and be with them. Okay, alone time, spend time alone, it will help you gain clarity on your relationship. Okay, and sometimes you have to be with yourself. Alone time or me time is going to be perfect for you. This is coming as a guidance, and these two cards are coming as a guidance for your relationship. Okay, relax and be with them, or sometimes take time for yourself and be with yourself, and you will gain some clarity about your relationships. Okay, so okay, that's it. I hope this reading resonated.